Love you 3,000.
And I have back 3,000 from UAE.
Tiamo 3,000.
Para on the dance. Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Minor's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, huwag ka mafu-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. Now, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. Do never, never, ever, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo mo bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasalilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM ko kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday, 3 to 4 videos ko sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko. Tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Hi, I'm Sheila and I'm an OFW from Thailand. I can't remember exactly how I discovered Coach Miranda's channel, but I've been a subscriber since June. I didn't really have a trading system before, and since I have a day job, pag sumisilip ako sa charts tapos may mga lumilipad na coins, papasukin ko agad siya with high leverage. minsan nananalo, pero pag natatalo, ubos lahat. So, nag-binge watch ako ng video si Coach and then enrolled sa beginner's class. One of the most aha moments for me is yung fib talaga. Ang galing ng pagka-explain ni Coach sa kanya, tapos super powerful and amazing niya for bounce, breakout, breakdown, at saka mga untog na areas. So, after the class, Superman syndrome nga, ang hirap niyang i-control. So, tuloy-tuloy pa din ako. Until one day, I've decided na this has to stop. So, I stopped, took a break, reflect, and continue on watching the life of Coach. So, nag-announce si Coach about the mentoring session, and then I decided to give it another try. Naglagay ako ng certain amount of money and told myself na, okay, this is what I'm willing to lose. So, it's either i-superman ko siya or pag-aralan ko ng mabuti yung system para mapalaki ko siya. Then, nag-start ang mentoring session ko with Sir Luke. First, tinulungan niya ako kung anong trade setups works best for me. And then, inaral ko siya. Throughout the sessions, I kept on asking questions and ginaid niya talaga ako and showed me my blind spots. So, I'm not that confident yet. Kakabawi ko lang sa losses ko, but soon I will be profitable too. What made Coach Miranda stand out and different from others, beside him teaching us technical and fundamental analysis, I can feel how he really cares and wants us to learn. More on his culture of malasakit and ang pag-real talk niya lagi sa atin. So, don't give up and invest on knowledge. Continue watching the videos of Coach and his life at ang number one and most important talaga is discipline. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Coach Miranda Minor, Sir Luke, and to the other mentors. Just keep on learning and I love you 3,000, Miranda.
All right. Woo-hoo-hoo! The very first time, well, after a long time na nag-live si Coach na walang IT issues. Oy. Oy, batiin mo naman ako. Batiin mo naman yung ginawa natin for the past couple of days, ha? Talagang pinaghirapan natin yan, ha? Huwag niyong batiin, baka mabate. Anyways, welcome to our show. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga viewers natin, pati yung mga nakakulay green ang pangalan. Very, very special greetings to all of you, to the Miranda Profitable members on board. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And of course, sa lahat po ng moderators at sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon na nasa live natin today. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong suporta at sa inyo pong pagtangkilik sa ating program, no? Ang ating topic for today is about Santa Claus Crypto Rally. Ngayon ba to? Is this gonna be happening? What are the things that you need to consider? Okay, what are the things that you need to consider? Ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede mong malaman? Ano ba yung crypto rally na yan? Ano ba yung Santa Claus na yan? Ano ba yung kailangan nating malaman? Natutuwa ako ngayon kasi tingin ko very high definition yung ating screen, ha. Nakikita ko yung mga pores ng Santa Claus, ha. Talagang very good, no? Anyways, yan. So, sit back and relax. I have prepared some information for you tonight na pwede po mong malaman. And of course, before tayo pumunta sa mga charting, I'm just going to do a couple of announcements. Yan. Unang-una po sa lahat, ang ating pong nalikom is a total of 21,045 pesos and 27 centavos as of 9 p.m. December 20. Maraming salamat po, Miranda. Kami po ay vessel and channel of blessing. Kayo po yung blessing sa mga tao pong naapektuhan ng audit. Yan. Kung alam nyo lang po kung gaano kahirap po yung dinaanan ng mga tao doon. No? So we are coordinating to the Ayala Young Leaders group. No? Meron po kaming coordinator in the Vismin chapter ng aming group. Ako po ay Ayala Young Leaders alumni. Yan po ay search for top 70 students of the entire Philippines every year. Huwag nyo na pong tanong na pong year ako naging member niyan. Tagal na po. At in our group po, meron po kami mga alumni kung saan-saan. Meron kaming PMA alumni, meron kami mga doktor, attorney, lahat po na mga successful na. No? Another alumni na pwede nyong maalala is si Jeff Tarayao. Siya po yung presidente ng Meralco Foundation. Siya po ay AYLC as well. No? Ako po ay isang alumni ng group na yan. Kulay yellow po yung jacket namin. No? Alright, so we're working with the Global Miranda Minor Group. Atin pong kumpanya yan. Kayo po yan. Tayo po ay nakikipagtulungan sa Ayala Young Leaders Philippines para po makipag-coordinate sa Vismin area, sa Ayala Young Leaders Visayas Mindanao area. At we have already gathered a total of 21,045 pesos and 27 centavos. No? We are going to update all of you sa progress. Meron pong documentation yan. Kung kinukuha po ng aming group, kung kayo po ay nag-donate, kung maaari lang po ay maibigay po nyo ang inyong pangalan sa mga moderators namin, no? Si Ira o kaya si Erin, sama ko na si Erin, o kaya si Jen Pagsaligan. Please let us know if you have donated so we can do a documentation. No? Kung magkano po at kung gusto nyo pong ilagay nyo namin ang inyong pangalan, put it there po. And by the way po, hindi po dumadaan sa amin yung pera. Ayan pong perang yan, dumidiretso na po yan doon sa Ayala Young Leaders Group. Wala po kaming hinahawakan dyan. So kami po ay isang vessel lamang at gusto po namin tumulong. At maraming salamat. Taos-puso ako nagpapasalamat sa mabuti niyong kalooban na makatulong tayo sa mga taong ito. Sa akin pong bulsa, nag-abot din po ako ng malaking halaga. Di ko na po kailangan sabihin kung magkano. Pero okay lang po yan. Kasi kikitain pa rin naman natin yan. We could still be a vessel of blessing for many. Ang mahalaga po, in our own little way, we are able to help the community that needs help. Yan. Tapos 10 din ng ating mga moderators. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng blessing because, 2021 has been a very blessed year para po sa atin. Kaya tayo po ay kailangan patulong at magbigay po sa community dahil din po yung ating hashtag Culture of Malasakit. Okay? So, thank you again sa ating Ayala Young Leaders team. Kasama sila Sadi, sila Mike na nakikipagtulungan sa atin in different chat room. Maraming salamat. Keep us posted and mabuhay po kayo dyan sa Ayala Young Leaders. Congratulations to you guys in advance as well. Okay. At dahil po dito, another announcement pala, dahil po sa initiative natin ito, marami na pong tumulong na organizations, hindi lang po tayo, no? So, banggitin ko lang din yung mga ibang organizations na tumulong na sa kanilang poster. Basahin ko lang yung poster nila. Youth Community Service Club in Pampanga, Angeles University Foundation, CEA Central Student Council, at Supreme Student Council ng isang school in Pampanga. At yon, so masaya tayo at meron tayong mga partner schools, no? Angeles University Foundation in Pampanga at marami pang iba. So we're very happy, nakakatulong po tayo at God bless po sa lahat ng mga may mabuting kalooban. Okay, so of course, simulan natin ang ating gabi by saying gusto kong disiplinahin ka, pagalitan ka, sermonan ka, kulitin ka, pero please huwag ka mong gagalit sa akin. Dahil hindi ako mapapagod gabi-gabi magpaalala na mahal kita. Dahil alam kong ikaw ay yayaman, uunlad, matututo at makakasabay ka din. Tsagain mo lang, papasaan ba, you will become profitable too. Claim that. Type number 1. You claim that right now. 2022 is going to be a game time and a championship for you. 2021 is a practice year. 2020 was a practice year and 2022 is going to be a profitable year. I-claim mo na yan, Miranda. I'm claiming it for you. Whatever is binded here is binded up there. I-claim, i-bind, let it go. You need to earn and claim your profits. Type number 1 if you claim it already, like me. Okay, next. Ayan, tapos na po tayo. Napaka-busy ng ating linggo, no? December 11, we have guest, Chief Brand Officer Emerson Lee. Namigay po ng halos 50,000 na bonus, no? Soul Chicks, with Chris Lawrence and the team, nag-raffle din po sila ng 100 chicks, no? And of course, kahapon, Saturday po kahapon, ang guest po natin is si Dan Bower. At naging magandang, actually nung Saturday, maganda ang kanilang guesting sa atin, no? At if you don't have any sisla yet, please go ahead and go to maganda yung sinasabi nila, no? Again, sabi ko nga, I will hold off my entire comment. Mag-antay tayo ng January pasabog nila. Meron doon silang magandang news on January. Pero ako alam ko na. Maganda yung lalabas on January, guys. Maganda. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, tingnan niyo na yung sisla na yan. Don't put everything. Put 1% of the money that you can lose. Position size 1%. Put kayong sisla. Bili kayo. I think it's in Pancake Swap. Bili kayo dyan. $10 lang po is 1 million sisla. No, $10 lang. So, mawala man sa iyo yan, di ka iiyak. Ha? Bumili ka. Tapos, sinasabi nila meron daw co-ownership sa island. So, ako naman, again, I'm telling you, nakikita nyo sa baba, I'm not your financial advisor. Nasa sa iyo yan. No? But at this point, I want you to become very defensive. Ha? Defensive ka. Huwag kang labas ng pera dyan. 1%, kung $10 lang yan, sige, try mo. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Ako, it's up to you. I'm not fully sold, pero tingin ko maganda yung kanilang maganda yung kanilang purpose, no? Nakita ko yung puso ng CEO eh. Mukhang seryoso sa buhay niya. Maganda yung gusto niyang gawin. So, hindi siguro hindi mo kawalan ng $10. Kahit $10 lang, ikaw na bahala. Okay? Congratulations. And of course, do your own research pa din. Basahin ko lang to sa isang letter ng alumni po natin. Yan, no? So, basahin ko lang yung pinakahuling statement. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo, Coach, kasi pagiging selfless mo, 99% ng information at technique binibigay mo na. At may direction pa yung pagpasok ko sa crypto. Last October lang po ako nag-umpisa. Lahat ng videos mo napanood ko na. At may 3 notebook na po akong notes ng mga lessons. Salamat at nandadyan ka para mag-guide sa mga baguhan. Kaya gusto ko po makatulong sa community in the future. Sinabihan ko rin po ang mga old office mates sa Davao na panoorin, mag-subscribe at mag-take ng course sa CMM University. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Mabuhay po kayo sa comment na ito. And of course, basahin ko yung napakarami nating testimonials. Napakarami. Ito, basahin ko to, no? One of our mentee alumni testimonials. Sabi niya dito, after quite some time, I enrolled in mentorship program and there's a breakthrough happening in my trading. My mentor advised me to stick and trust the system as a day trader. My P&L became progressive. It was from negative to positive result. I am so grateful that since I gained confidence in trading and now I decided to focus on my progress over profits. Alam mo guys, natutuwa ako sa taon to. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo ha. Ito I will tell you. I will not name the person. Alam mo nung kinausap ko to, and I hope you're okay for me to say this, no? Alam mo nung kinausap ko to, nagulat ako eh. Nagulat ako. Alam mo ba, nung nag-uusap kami, kasi diba, yung last week, kakausapin niyo ako, you have an opportunity to talk to me, diba? So, nag-open camera ako. Itong taong to nasa abroad kasama yung pamilya niya. Alam mo, pinag-pray over niya ako. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, pwede ba, before tayo magtapos, can I pray over sa'yo? Sabi ko, anong meron sa taon to? Talagang alam mo, busilak yung kalooban niya. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, let's just pray. I wanna pray. Pasasalamat ko sa'yo, I wanna pray over for you. Sabi ko, hindi lahat ng tao ganito. Na, alam, syempre, hindi naman niya alam yung religion ko, no? Sabi ko, whatever it is, although we're not same of religion, sabi ko, sige, okay lang. I mean, you're praying for the goodness eh. So talaga sabi niya, Coach, can we pray? Ayun lang talaga yung regalo ko sa'yo. Sabi ko, salamat ha. At walang gumawa niyan sa akin, no? At nakaka-bless, no? Maraming salamat sa'yo ha. God bless you. Okay? Ayan. Ang dami nating testimonies. Di ko na isa-isa yung maubos oras natin ha. Ayan, no? So, ang dami dito. Profitable trading. Ito yung mga sinasabi ng mga estudyante during the intermediate class. Nako. Ang sabi dito, CMM system, the most retailer-oriented system that brings the whale techniques to the masses. Aba? Ay, grabe namang comment yun. Diba? May formula pala sa pagpasok sa trade. Sobrang dami ko natutunan, Coach. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sa batch 16, Napakaganda ng mga comments. Maraming salamat po. At sa batch number 22, nagbigay pa sila ng mga pangalan, Maraming salamat sa inyo at napaka-generous nyo sa mga commentaries at testimonials. Maraming salamat. And of course, please download BingX using my profile, bingbon.com, invite/SOIJXF para makakuha ka ng $1,2,500 worth of signing bonus na you can use to play and use for your opening trades. No? I think naka-structured yan. Yung una yung $5, then so on and so on and so forth. Yan. Gawin mo na yan. Take advantage of that. And of course, ipopromote ko na rin po ang ating Bybit partner, no guys. Meron tayong 500 pesos daily. Please download Bybit and have a chance to win 500 pesos. Kahapon po, nag-raffle po ako ng 5. 3 lang po doon yung eligible. So today, I'm going to raffle 3 more. 3. So anong kailangan mong gawin? Okay, let's go to my Twitter account. Ito po, naka-pinned po ito. You just need to download Bybit using this profile, retweet the post, and use Miranda Minor comment Bybit and tag Bybit official. I-retweet nyo lang po yan because we're going to raffle tatlong mananalo ng $10 each maya-maya, no? Sa ating raffle. Kung hindi man, kung kulang ang oras natin, tomorrow, we're going to raffle para at least fresh na fresh ka sa mga retweets na yan. No? Saan ka pa? Natuto ka na, may profit ka na, may learnings ka pa, may motivation ka pa, di ba? May community ka pang ganito kaganda, meron ka pang system, at meron ka pang raffle prizes. So saan ka pa? No? Bring your friends here and become profitable as well. Okay. Let us move on. Yan. Guys, tomorrow meron tayong Open University. Guys, libre to ha. Libre to. Tomorrow, meron kaming Open University in Zoom. Over Zoom. No? You need to attend that. Kung meron kayong questions, FAQs, commentaries, suggestions, or kahit ano pa hindi malinaw sa inyo at hindi pa kayo naka-enroll sa university, then kayo po ay umattend dito because we're going to do an Open University. Meron po kaming iba't ibang klaseng orientations dyan within 2 hours po yan. No? Kung meron kayong questions, paano ba mag-sign up, paano mag-fill up ng forms, magkano, ano yung content ng course namin, ano po yung mentoring, ano yung content ng mentoring, ano po yung laman yan, ano po yung course, what is the course all about. Then, wag na kayong umalis, you are in the right room. We will orient you on everything about Open University. Andyan po si Elite University, si Miss Nita, yung operations manager natin. Andyan din po ako, andyan din po si HR, tsaka si marketing. Andyan din po yung 2 mentors natin para makilala ninyo si Kuya Rad, tsaka si Kuya Luke. You get to know them. Andyan din po ang mga testimonials yung mga magbibigay ng testimonials bukas. So, maganda pong paraan yan. Libre po yan. You can attend our Zoom meeting and be there for the orientations. Okay? Bring your friends and referrals tomorrow. 2 araw po yan. Tomorrow at Tuesday, December 28. Tomorrow, December 21 and December 28. Yan. Attend kayo dyan ha. Para alam nyo na ano yung mga questions. Pero meron kayong questions or ideas. Ano ba yung i-cover sa intermediate? Ano ba yung i-cover natin sa beginners? Ano ba yung i-cover natin sa mentoring? Ano ba yung mga yan? And everything's gonna be there. I-orient po namin kayo. Okay? Of course, naku, i-highlight, i-flex natin to. Itong estudyante natin to, napakagaling ng batang to. Parang anak ko na to eh. Itong batang to, nakilala ko to, sabi niya sa akin, Coach, pwede ba akong sumali sa community mo? No? Itong taon to, member siya ng isang Facebook group, Billionaires Club. Yun. Yung mga mindsetting doon talagang ibang level, no. Sabi niya, Coach, can I join your group? Sabi ko, join kasi sa group natin, no. Alam mo, natuto siya. Very silent tong taon to, silent worker, no. Kamukat-mukat mo sabi sa akin, Coach, ito na po yung nabili ko dahil sa trading. And true enough, I know na hindi ito pakulo lang kasi may mga profits tong batang to. Talagang pinakita niya yung mga profits niya sa atin. So, congratulations sa iyo ha. Sabi niya dito, Coach, Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, hindi ako magiging ganito ngayon. Coach, first purchase ko po sa trading, nag-purchase po ako ng van for the family. I love you, Coach, sabi niya. Sabi ko, picturean mo. Sige nga, I'm proud of you. Sabi niya, ito po. Sabi ko, can I post it as a testimony? I'm proud of you. I'll cover your face. Yan, sabi niya. Sobra natutuwa ako sa batang to. Napakagaling. And kung ikaw, tulad ka niya, I'm sure kakayanin mo din to. You know, trust in the system, di ba? Filter, eliminate ego, awareness through journaling system, and trading community. Surround yourself with people who are like-minded. Surround yourself with people na may same mentality. Palibutan mo yung sarili mo ng mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. Ha? O kung hindi naman, let your work speak of yourself. If they don't believe you, let your work speak for yourself. If they don't believe you na ano ba yung crypto na yan, let your work speak for yourself. Action speaks louder than words. Profit speaks louder than any words. Diba? Learn the system. Aralin mo. Kanina may nagsulat sa akin ng haba. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung pangalan niya. Sabi niya, Coach, I wanna be like you. Sabi niya, when you spoke about doon sa, nung nagtuturo ka sa beginner class, tapos sinabi mo sa amin, ito yung kinikita mo, iniwanan mo dahil sa trading, I wanna be like you. I wanna be like you, sabi niya. Diba? Pero walang naniniwala sa kanya. Walang naniniwala sa kanya. Even yung girlfriend niya, walang naniniwala sa kanya. Oh. So ngayon, I have not answered you yet. Ang sagot ko sa iyo ito. Nakinig ka. And I will do it on a Dear Coach as well with Partner Suite. No? Makinig ka ito sa sabihin ko sa iyo. Let your action be your profits. Diba? Aralin mo. Aralin mo. Parang ano yun people will persecute you People will prosecute you. People will think that you are crazy. Sasabihin ng pamilya mo, ano ba yung pinasok mo? Ano ba yung crypto na yan? Type number 1, kung minsan ganyan kayo. Ano to? Anong meron? Anong meron dyan? Anong meron sa Miranda Minor na yan? Anong ginagawa mo? Sinisira mo ba buhay mo? Scam yan Bring them here. Bring them here. I will take charge. I will take care of them. Bring them to the door. Bring them to the door. I will take care of that. But more importantly, take care of how they look at you. Take care of how they look at you. Let your profit speak for itself. Maglagay ka ng profit, di ba? Bumili ka ng profit, i-withdraw mo yung profit, bumili ka ng gamit sa bahay nyo. Hindi ko alam kung di magulat siyang buong angkan. Wow, saan galing yan? Tulad nito. Por Diyos Pro Santo, nagbigay ng van. Anak, ituloy-tuloy mo na yan. Kung ano mang meron dyan sa pinuntahan mo, ituloy-tuloy mo na kung ano mang tribo yan. Puntahan mo na, pupuntahan lahat namin yan. Let your product, let your profit speak for itself. Diba? Because you need to be honest with your parents. You need to be honest with your loved ones. Hindi naman po kasi lahat ng lumalabas sa mainstream media maganda. Hindi po lahat, kaya nga nandito si Miranda Minor I'm here. Andito po tayo para mag-evangelize ng cryptocurrency. Dahil totoo pong may scam. Hindi ko naman sinasabing walang scam. Pero kung hindi ka makikinig sa akin, masascam ka lalo. No? Ang tinuturo natin dito yung tamang paraan. Paano ka makakaiwas sa scam? Paano ka makakapag-trade? Ipakita mo tong mga to. Hindi naman tayo dito nag-iiyakan na may problema. Hindi. Sa dami po ng testimonials na pinakikita ko today, sobrang dahil po. Nakikita niyo po ba yung mga yan? All of these are testimonials. Nagbabago ang buhay ng tao. Yung tao, gumaganda yung buhay nila. Their lives are improving. Hindi naman tayo naglolokohan dito. Di ba? So look at this. We're changing the industry one trader at a time. We have the system. You just need to learn. Yung mga yan magsasabi ng di maganda yung nangyari. Kung alam nyo lang po kung gaano karami nare-receive kong sulat araw-araw, nagpapasalamat po. Hindi man sa trading, alam mo kung ano, they're just thankful na nandito tayo. They're just thankful that we are here, and we're here to remind them of how beautiful the community is. How beautiful the life when you are profitable. Diba? So, if you are those na pinoprosecute, if you are part of those na iniinis ka ng sino, no one is believing you. Pwes hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami nag-type ng number 1 dito. Hindi ka nag-iisa, huy. Marami kayo ganyan. Ang tanong, bibigay mo ba yung pangarap mo? Are you willing to give up on your dreams? Case in point, kanina meron akong mentee na kinausap, 19 anyos. Nagtapos na siya ng beginner, ng intermediate, ng mentoring. Anong sabi niya? Coach, sabi niya sa akin, yung 3 tito ko, nasa abroad, pinag-uusapan nila stock trading, mga pharmaceuticals during this pandemic. I wanna learn. Sabi ko, napakaswerte mong bata ka. Ha? Parang anak na kita kasing edad mo, halos doble ng edad ko, lagpas pa. Ha? Sabi niya sa akin, I wanna learn, coach. Sabi ko, sige, napakaswerte mo kasing edad mo, naliligaw ako na gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko, naliligaw ako 19 anyos. Napakaswerte mong bata. Yung appetite mo to learn is really, really, really high. Diba? So, I will encourage you. If no one trusts you, I trust you. If no one trusts you right now, I trust you. Huh? Because sometime, one of these days next year, magiging ganito ka din. I-claim mo ngayon yan, magpo-post ka. Magpo-post ka ng ganitong post and you will say, Coach, ito na po, maraming salamat. Finalo ko yung system mo. This is it. Di ba? Dito na po, this is it. And I know you will do something like this. Kaya na mag-give up. Congratulations. And of course, learn our system. Kung medyo naiinis ka, nawawalan ka ng loob, listen to my Spotify. Listen to my Spotify. Diba? Marami tayong mga live dyan, no? What to do in this unforgiving market when you are in a losing streak. Hindi ko pa na-upload yung millionaire's mindset. I-upload ko yan. How to become a millionaire. Napanood mo ba yung live natin na yun? How to become a millionaire. Ano yung mga binigay kong tip? Marami akong binigay na tip doon. Ay, nako. If you want to really become a millionaire like me, learn. Learn po. You just need to learn. By the way, binabati ko si parang Levi from the UK. No? Salamat. Pinakita niya sa akin yung mga notes niya. Sabi niya, Coach, thank you sa content mo. Nag-take notes ako, sabi niya dito. Basahin ko dito. Sabi niya, alam mo, December 15, message na ako. Sabi niya, Coach, maraming salamat. Natuto ko sa live mo. Sabi niya dito, How to Become a Millionaire by Miranda Minor. 1. Be seen. Crying baby gets the milk. Number 2. Bless the blessed. Malachi 3 verse 8 to 12. 3. Affirm every day. Create a vision board. Surround yourself with people who are already millionaires. Number 4. Act. Faith without action is dead. James 2:17. 5. Be bold. Wisely. Be bold. Bold. The bold people, the courageous people, fortune favors the bold. 6. Add a new source of income. Build your network. 7. Hold yourself accountable. Track your expenses, but be sure not to remove the fun. Number 8. Pay yourself. Don't be boring. Panoorin mo yan. You wanna be a millionaire? Listen to someone who's already a millionaire. If you wanna be a millionaire, listen and learn to someone who is already a multi-millionaire. Period. That's it. You wanna become successful in trading? Then listen. Listen with your 2 ears. Learn. 2022 is your year. Tanggapin mo yan. I-claim mo yan. Ako, I claim 2021 is my year and it's a start of an even more better 2022. Bakit? Pinag-pray ko yan. Sabi ko, ano bang gusto mong gawin ko? Can I give up? Sorry guys, napalayo yung topic ko pero I just wanted to stress this out, no? Sabi ko nung 2021, ang ganda ng trabaho ko, guys. Sa mga estudyante ko, alam niyo magkano sinasahod ko, di ba? Document naman yan ng BIR eh. Meron namang 2316 yan. Ang laki po ng kinikita ko, but I gave up that job because ang passion natin magturo. Araw-araw na ginawa po ng Panginoon. Since April 17, nagla-live po ako. Except po nung isang araw na may sakit ako, wala pong connection. Araw-araw po, April 17 onwards, we are teaching. Bakit? Yun yung gusto ko. I wanna teach. Ayun yung gusto ko, magbago yung community. Mawala na yung mga nalulusaw, naliliquidate, nalulugi. Because the system is effective. So sabi ko, if people are earning, I was actually trying to see the market. Sabi ko nung April, tatanggapin kaya ng market yung system ko? Will the market become profitable? Nung tinuro ko yan, ang dami pong dumating na magandang mga words. Sabi sa akin, Coach, maraming salamat. Coach, salamat po sa mga videos niyo. Alam mo guys, na-overwhelm. Sabi ko, this is it. This is a sign. This is a sign that I am okay to let go of my multi-million paying job per year. I will let go of that job because this community will become my partner. Itong community na to will help me become even better and I will help them become even better. Give up natin. Sabi natin, kailangan ng tao ng tulong. Kailangan ng tao ng tulong. Nasa kabilang community ako. I was in the Facebook community of the Other Binance Group. Andun po tayo. Anong nangyayari doon? Again, mahal ko yung mga tao doon. Doon tayo nagsimula. Grabe. Meron isang nag-comment, ano pong gagawin ko kung na-lock po yung account ko dahil na-hack po ako? Yung mga comment doon, sabi pa naman, pinagloloko mo ba kami? May two-factor authentication yan. Umalis ka nga dito. I was like, seriously guys? Seriously, kulang ba kayo sa aruga ng magulang nyo? Kung wala kayong masabing maganda, di huwag kayong mag-comment. Nag-iisa lang akong ganung moderator. So sinabi natin, if I cannot solve world hunger, if I cannot solve this problem because I am part of a table, then I will build my own table. I will build my own table. And there you go guys. We're already almost 50,000 subscribers right now. Kung babalikan ko yung sinimulan natin, I converted the problem, I converted the opportunity into a plan. So kung ikaw, tulad ko, meron kang problem, how do I solve this problem? I-convert mo yan as an area of improvement. Problema ko noon, how do I solve this? Hindi naman ako may-ari nung Facebook group eh. Gumawa ako na sarili kong Facebook group. I made my own Facebook group because I cannot change the world hunger. So ikaw, if you have the same problem right now, then bakit ka magpapakalunod sa problema mo? Ang dami namin, we're here to support you. Huwag ka magpakalunod dyan. Na-liquidate ka, nagka-problema ka, the family doesn't trust you. So andito kami. 'Di ba? We're here to support you. Persecutions are there. 'Di ba? People don't believe you. Mahina ka sa trading. Kailangan mo ng tulong. I'm just becoming like this right now because before ako nag-live, 3 letter na basa ko. Pare-parehas. Coach, anong gagawin ko? Litong-lito na ako, mental depression na ako. People don't believe me. Coach, anong gagawin ko? Yung isa, pati po girlfriend ko, hindi po naniniwala sa akin. Guys, pare-parehas yung tono ng problema. Yung isa, Coach, anong gagawin ko? Gusto ko na makaahon sa problema to. I wanna go full-time like you. I'm happy ginagawa nyo akong model. Take it easy. Take it easy, guys. Mag-take it easy. Huminahon ka. Huminahon lang kayo. Magpapasko. 5 days from now, Pasko na. Di ba? And with that said, yan ang maganda nating segue. Segue natin on what is the Santa Claus crypto rally. All right, let's go dive in with our live for today. Let's just quickly go on with our price po ng cryptocurrency natin before tayo mag-start ng ating topic. I'm going also to ako po mag-charting din po, no? At makinig po kayo ng mabuti. I'm just gonna be refreshing my website here. Okay. Alright. Okay, Bitcoin. Medyo ang pangit po ng Bitcoin, no? 45,770, negative 3.49. Ethereum, based sa headline ng CoinDesk kanina, humataw po ng 37.94. Marami po na-liquidate as per the CoinDesk headline kanina. BNB, $507.8, negative 5.11%. Solana is 171.18, negative 7.74. Cardano, 1.21 at negative 6.3. XRP, 83 cents at positive 26, no, or 0.2%. Terra Luna, 74.21, 0.3% negative. Avalanche or AVAX, 102.64, negative 8.43. Polkadot, 23.62, negative 6.37. Punta tayo on DeFi right now. Okay. Terra Luna, 74.22, negative 0.5%. Avalanche, 102.89, negative 8.44. Uniswap, 14.80, negative 7.03. Chainlink, 18.9, negative 6.19. PancakeSwap is 12.65, negative or 0.4% negative. Phantom or FTM, 1.34, negative 8.3%. Let's go to NFTs. Pulang-pula ang merkado. Grabe. Mana, 3.06, negative 10.19%. Axie Infinity, 90.7, negative 6.81. Sand, 4.78, negative 6.84. Tether, negative 6.39, $3.89. Gala, 41.4 cents a piece and negative 9.98. Engine Coin, negative 9.08, $2.2 each. Pag-usapan natin ano ba ang dahilan bakit humataw ng pababa. No, what is happening with this market? Okay, let's all go first with the overall view of the market. Guys, Dow Jones bagsak negative. Nakita mo to? Napakapangit ng Dow Jones. Nagpapanik ang stock market ngayon. Nagpapanik ang stock market. Nako, ito nakita mo to. Sakit. Okay, nagpapanik ang stock market. If you look at the stock market today, Dow Jones, let's see kung magbabounce on 34,844. Nasdaq bagsak din po, negative 1.19. We were hoping magbabounce on the oras pero mukhang hindi. At this particular rate, isa pang red line to pababa. Isa pa to. SPX 500 binubuo ng pinakamalalaking 500 companies in the whole world. Nasdaq po is all technical companies like Facebook, etc. No? But for SPX, let's say kung mag-hold ng 45-43, merong almost double top, pwedeng humataw pababa. Magkakabubuo ng neckline dito, baka it can further go down. Napakapangit po ng red bot or ng red na to. No? So if you have been listening to my everyday live, araw-araw ko pong sinasabi, November 28 pa lang, be defensive, be defensive, be defensive, be defensive. Huwag kang bulagsak sa pera ngayon. Ha? Itago mo yung perang yan. Huwag ka munang mag-trade kung pwedeng hindi ka muna mag-trade. Or, you can do the defensive mode. Merong percent yan na nire-recommend ko. Okay? Bagsak po. Bakit? Let's all go to the headlines for today. Yan. Unang-una, ang dami po kasing panic na nangyayari ngayon. Of course, yung Omicron, gumaganda na po yung perspective ng mundo, no? But marami po kasing nag-overreact ngayon because of the pivoting of the Fed in terms of being hawkish, no? Di ba yung unang sinabi nila, oy, teka lang, on Wednesday of last week, sabi nila, based on the announcement, they're not going to do any rate increases on December. Pero ang sabi nila, by 2022, 3 sunod-sunod na rate increases ang mangyayari. So that is what has happened. What has happened was, it became a ripple effect. Nagkaroon ng ripple effect, kumbaga, no? Siyempre, nagpanic yung market. Uy, teka lang, akala ko ba okay? Tapos 3 sunod-sunod na rate hike next year. Ano pinagsasabi ninyo? Tapos, after that, nagkaroon ng sinubukan ng China. Okay, sinubukan ng China magkaroon ng rate cuts. No? Hindi nanalo eh. Hindi nagkaroon ng impact. No, yung headline ng CoinDesk. Bitcoin Ether dip in bearish Asia session. Kanina pa lang ng umaga sa Pilipinas, bearish na. 'Di ba? XRP lang ang humahataw kanina eh. Everyone else, when the market opened 10:30 ng gabi Manila time during our live, humataw pababa ang mga coins. 'Di ba? So, one of that, again, I will go to my topic mamaya, yung crypto Santa Rally, I will tell you ano mangyayari dyan. But for now, so because nagkaroon ng market overreaction, yung fear and greed meter, sobrang fearful ng market. No? Sobrang fearful ng market. Yon. Even on this headline, sabi dito, Ether call demand signals anticipation of a year-end rally. Ito na guys, huwag kayong magpapadala sa ganito ha. Be very, very careful on this ha. So marami po kasi nagsasabi na ito yung huling-huling bear. Ito na yung huling-huling bear for the year. Itong lalabas the next couple of days can be a rally. Pwedeng magkaroon ng year-end rally. Mamaya I will show to you, sa mga di nakakapanood ng graph natin, I will show to you bakit sinasabi ito ng mga traders. Why is the market saying that there could be a year-end rally this coming year-end? Anong meron? 'Di ba? Iba ang take ko dito, iba. Ang pinapakita nila dito is based on the skewness. No, ito hindi ko pa tinuturo to sa statistics, pero may tinatawag tayong skewness of data ha. I don't want to confuse you on that. Pero there is a statistic, there's a indicator that we can measure skewness. Now, this is actually based on the call and put options in options to, hindi to cryptocurrency. No? I don't use the skewness because skewness is for options, it's not for cryptocurrency. Pero on the Investor 101 slides, kasama to doon. Pero I'm not teaching this yet because nothing to do with your cryptocurrency. Now, based on the appetite of the market, sinasabi dito, based on the demand for Ether calls no versus puts. Okay? Call hindi yan tawag, ito yung options call versus puts. No? It's actually signaling an anticipation for year-end because from a skewness perspective, basahin natin. Ayan. Based on those that will expire on December 31, humahataw ng 4,400 per Ethereum yung mag-e-expire at yung pinaka-malaki. No, 4,400 skewed. No? Yun ibig sabihin nun, yung sinasabi ng data na to. So with that said, theoretically, yung 4,400 represents a bet that would settle above the level December 31. However, buyers can square off positions before the expiry if Ether chalks a quick move higher, boosting the value of bullish bets. Ibig sabihin lang po nun, they still have a chance to change hands. But, ang pinakamagandang indicator na sinasabi dito is potentially, because of the heavy buying activity of the range. Yung range kasi is 4,200 to 4,400. Yun yung calls. Actually, you're trying to buy. Yung heavy buying activity, 4,200 to 4,400, pwedeng mag-end on that level ang Ethereum. Ayun ang sinasabi nito by end of December 31. And again, I'm just rehashing the data. Huwag kayong mabibili muna ng Ethereum because I have a different take on this. I want you guys to wait. Okay? Okay. Now, this is Ethereum. Let's now go on Bitcoin. Let's go on market. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Bitcoin. Sabi ng headline dito, First Mover Asia, Bitcoin Ether have a quiet weekend. Yan. So halos wala nangyari nung weekend, no? Pero pagka-open ng market Monday, umalagwa, bumaba. No? Yan. Okay. Ang sinasabi dito, ang initial support natin is going to be at 46,800 to True enough, hindi siya natuloy, nagkaroon ng breakdown on a bigger moving average. Okay, mamaya we will chart all of that, no? Yan. Sabi dito, Bitcoin registered a downside exhaustion signal, which means that the short-term price bounce is likely exhaustion, RSI yan. The RSI is also oversold, which typically preceded price rises similar to what occurred in late September. So again, ulitin ko guys, number one, sinasabi natin kanina, number one, Ethereum options expiring on December 31 can potentially do the max pain point of 4,200 to 4,400 because of the heavy buying pressure. Number two, Bitcoin, because of the oversold signal, similar to September trend, pwedeng magkaroon ng reversal this particular holiday. Dalawang indicator yun guys, makinig kayo mabuti, dalawa yung sinabi ko. Ethereum because of options and Bitcoin because of RSI. Here is my technical charting. Let's go to Bitcoin. Before po tayo mag-chart, paki-like po yung ating live today. Paki-like po. Please, please, please. Okay. So Bitcoin, I'm doing the Heikinashi here. Okay. So unang-una, from a volume perspective, the volume today is quite lower than the volume on the first half of the year. Quite the opposite of the previous December of last year. Because December last year, we have seen a significant growth on the price of the coins. No, naalala ko yan, no? Naalala ko itong mga panahong to, no? Kasi during this time, nakaipon na ako ng Bitcoin around $18,000 around this time. Naalala ko to. Last year. Meron na akong mga Bitcoin yan around $18,000, no? Tumuloy-tuloy na yung pataas. So, at this particular time of the year, last year, sobrang bullish ng market. So, general observation number one, the volume last year is not apples to apples this year. Ibig sabihin, yung volume this year is significantly lower. What does that mean? Tinuturo ko sa inyo yan sa university. Defensive portfolio management. Okay? The market is doing it, so should you. Defensive portfolio wallet management. There are two things, offensive and defensive. Kapag ang market hindi bull, if it's bear, stay defensive. Okay? So exactly what the market is doing right now. If the market is becoming defensive, ask yourself, why are you not defensive? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, kung ang market ngayon is defensive at hindi siya naglalabas, just look at this volume. Look at this volume very, very visually. This volume compared to this volume December of 2020, there is a significant difference in terms of volume. So again, ask yourself, if the market is very defensive, then why are you going all in? That's a very valid question, ha? Sagutin mo maya-maya. So, ang laro po ng Bitcoin, kaya po sinasabi natin na it can be a Santa Claus rally. Listen to this very carefully, okay? We are on the day time frame. MACD is potentially forming a bullish cross, but I don't want you to consider this as a bullish cross because wala pong kwenta yung volume and doji ang candle. Ang pinakamagandang laro po ng Bitcoin natin, please remember this, ang pinakamagandang laro ng Bitcoin natin is kapag humataw pataas itong Bitcoin on a trend resistance breakout. And based on the time and charting perspective, tayo po ay nag-aantay ng ilang araw na lang. Potentially, ang pinakadulo po ng apex is 10 days. 10 days na po yung pinakadulo ng apex. Ibig sabihin po niyan, kapag 10 days na po yung pinakadulo ng apex, on or before December 31, pwede pong humataw pataas ang Bitcoin. Basta bigyan mo ko ng magandang volume. Case in point, sinasabi sa options, ang mga tao, they're already expecting Ethereum to close 4,200 to 4,400. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag hindi nagtapos sa 4,400 or 4,200 yung Ethereum, wipe out lahat ng mga taong yun. Wala silang kukikitain. It will become a stale paper. Because the difference of options and futures, options, you have an obligation to buy but you don't have an obligation to sell. Pero pare silang derivatives. Si futures, in derivatives in crypto, you bought the contract and you have an obligation to sell the contract even if it's perpetual. Yun ang difference sa options. Options, you can buy the options, you have an option to buy, but you have no responsibility to sell. Ergo, pag hindi mo yan binenta before or during the expiration date, wala nang value yan. It will become a stale contract. So, sinasabi ng market, 4,200 to 4,400 ang Ethereum, that means that they're very, very bullish. Okay? Ang sinasabi din ng Bitcoin, ang sinasabi ng article na to, sinasabi dito, oversold na ang Bitcoin tulad nung nangyari nung September. During the month of September, umangat. So oversold territory from July, halos magkarango. Based on this chart pwedeng umakyat, oversold territory. So pwedeng, sinasabi nila, it can potentially drive momentum kabaliktaran pataas naman by December. So dalawang article ito. So ako naman, ano ang perspective natin? Ito ang ating perspective, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to this very, very carefully. My perspective is purely charting-wise, pwede pong masunod yung sinasabi nila. Pero, anong pwede mong gawin? Kung pwede mo namang itago muna yung pera na yan, huwag ka muna mag-trade, Huwag ka muna mag-all in. Yung sinasabi kong defensive, alam mo na yan, ilang porsyento sinasabi ko na yan sa'yo, alam mo na yan. Yun lang muna gamitin mo. Tapos, by December 31, January 1, pag humataw yan pataas, di maganda. Kung bumaba pa yan, di okay. Nagpasok ka ba ng pera? Hindi. Ilang percent lang defensive. Di ba? Walang mawawala sa'yo. Mag-antay ka na lang. Kailangan mo ng pera? Di mag-scalping ka. Kailangan mo ng mas malaking pera? Mag-antay ka. Ayan na malapit na Wait for it. Di ba? Huwag mo salubungin yung market na nagpapanik. Huwag mo salubungin because ang tingin ko dito, listen to me very carefully Listen to me very carefully. Pwede nga mangyari dito, ladies and gentlemen. Pwedeng ito humataw pababa. I'm not kidding. This can potentially even go down. Case in point. Nakita mo tong part na to, akala mo magre-recover na si MACD. What happened? Humataw pababa. Di ba? I think pwede pa mangyari, it can potentially still happen. It can potentially still happen. Gawin natin tong Fibonacci dito. From the swing low to the swing high. Yan, Di ba may 618 area dito? Nakikita mo tong 618 area na to. This one. 618 area yan. Potentially, pwede pang humalik yan sa 44,329. Walang pumipigil kay Bitcoin humalik ng 44,329. At walang pipigil sa kanya. Ang iniisip ko dito, pwede itong humataw pababa on a one-day candle, tapos MACD keeps on going up, dun sa bubuo ng right hand. Pwede siya bumuo ng right hand dyan. And MACD keeps on going higher and higher and higher. So, pwedeng humataw. And then, pagkahataw niya dyan sa resist, sa support line na yan, boom. Yun na. Yun na yung antayin nating gain. Di ba? Because it's actually on a downward momentum Di ba? So, natutuwa ako, wala nagchat-chat, nakikinig kayo lahat. Salamat. Diba? So, para maiwasan ninyo ang matalo this next couple of days, gamitin mo yung oras na yan, mag-build ng relationship to your family. Huwag ka muna mag-trade. Huwag mo ilabas lahat. Hayaan mo itong Pasko na to. Itong Pasko na to, hindi katulad ng Pasko last year kung saan lahat nagdidiwang. Nakita mo itong price na to? Yan Guys, di ako nagbibiro. Ang tuwan-tuwa ako niyan nung pangapanahon yan. Ang laki ng kinita ng pera ko. Ang laki. Sobra. Tuwan-tuwa ako last year Sino rito yung nag-trade na last year? Ito, imagine mo, from December 13 to December 22, humataw ng 34%. Sobrang bullish ng market niyan. Mag-iwan ka ng pera, non-stop yung pagtaas niyan. So, hindi tayo katulad ng ganitong market ngayon. Guys, you need to be very, very careful. We need to be defensive. Defensive, alam mo na ibig sabihin yan, be careful on letting go of your money. So, ang laro natin dito, mag-abang tayo ng potential bounce sa ilalim. Kung mag-intraday trade ka, be defensive as well. No? But be defensive if you're going to do intraday. Now, this is my perspective. And sinasabi ko sa inyo, siguro kaya sinasabi ng market na by December 31 may Santa Claus rally, kaya siguro very, 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 very bullish ang mga options trader is because may potential na breakout na mangyayari this December 31. Or even earlier. Bihira po tayo makakita ng breakout on a one-day candle. Huwag mo nang i-miss yan. Mark your calendars. Mark your calendars. December 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, anytime between now up until December 31, the breakout can happen. Okay. Type number 1 kung naiintindihan para makuha ko na nakukuha ninyo at inom lang akong tubig. Type number 1, please confirm kung naiintindihan. Okay, thank you. So, anong pwedeng mangyari kay Ethereum? Ito na. Para maniwala kayo sa akin. Listen to me very carefully. Iniisip ko, listen very carefully ha. Okay. Iniisip ko dito guys, sa mga Ethereum traders. So meron tayong oras, di ba? May oras tayo dito. May oras. Tingin ko, ang palagay ko dito, pwedeng bumasag ng resistance itong current trend. And ladies and gentlemen, tanungin mo kung kailan mangyayari. Ha? Tanungin mo kung kailan mangyayari din ang breakout niya. Sus Mariosep. Parehas December 10 days. So after 10 days, ang pwedeng mangyari, kunin niya tong support line na to at biglang boom, umakyat doon. Ano tong arrow? What is this arrow? This arrow is the 618 area. So potentially, listen very carefully, naka-day time frame tayo, so hindi na to intraday position trading na to. Look at this guys. Potentially, di ba? Look at this very carefully. Nagkaroon po dito ng bounce on the 618 area at tuloy pataas. So you have a very strong support at 3485. Strong. Here's the thing. You have a strong support on this area as well. Meron kang oras. Ngayon, iniisip ko dito, siguro iniisip ng mga options traders, pwedeng mag-breakout Pwedeng magkaroon ng breakout. Kasi, ladies and gentlemen, look at this very carefully. No? Look at this. Every time na merong tinatawag na breakout ang Ethereum, okay, at nagkaroon ng MACD confirmation, karoon ng breakout lumilipad ang coin. The coin bull is 46.81%. So, ang pwedeng mangyari, because there is no left hand, Okay, I don't see a left hand on a daily candle. And if you go on the indicator RSI, RSI is, let me just make sure I double check. RSI is below 50 territory. So ang pwedeng mangyari dito is bumasag ito ng another confirmation area at umakyat at until 4,200. Pwedeng mangyari yun. So this means that Bitcoin and Ethereum, meron silang isang metric that they are following each other. Kailangan malaman mo yan. On the next 10 days, it can potentially, well, sagad din natin dun sa line. On the next 11 days, pwede itong bumasag pataas. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, ladies and gentlemen, can break out within the holiday season. Ergo, diyan sinasabi ng maraming tao, baka magkaroon ng Santa Claus rally. Ano ba yung Santa Claus rally na yan? I-google natin. What is a Santa Claus rally? Let's Google what is a Santa Claus rally. Ito, sabi dito, sabi ng CNBC, we can see a Santa Claus rally but that unsettling feeling continues to 2022. A Santa Claus rally is a calendar effect that involves a rise in stock. Listen to this very carefully. Fundamental 101 tayo, okay? And type number 1 kung naunawaan na. A Santa Claus rally is a calendar effect that involves a rise in the stock prices or crypto during the last 5 trading days in December and the first 2 trading days in the following January. So, ang tanong, ayan, since, lakihan natin to. Wait lang. Ayan. According to the 2019 Stock Traders Almanac, the stock market has risen. Listen carefully, okay? The stock market has risen 1.3% on average during the 7 trading days from 1950 to 1969. Over the 7 trading days in question, stock prices have historically risen 76% of the time, which is far more the average performance over a 7-day period. Okay? So this can potentially happen. Ang tanong, am I giving you the go signal to enter? Hindi. Pipitikin ko ilong mo pag pumasok ka ngayon. Yung pera mo, itago mo. Ha? Huwag mo ipatalo ngayon. This is not a beginner's market. So, ang gawin mo, antayin mo yan. Oh, ayan na eh. Potentially a stock market rally. Andiyan dyan na. 11 days. The last 7 days of the year. The TA agrees. Technical analysis is agreeing. Your TA charts are agreeing. Bitcoin, Ethereum are agreeing. Wikipedia says there is a Santa Claus effect. Then what are we waiting for? Ethereum, 4,200 to 4,400 ang kanilang bista. Oh. 'Di ba? So if this is the perspective of the technicians and the fundamentals of the market, di mag-abang tayo. Mag-abang tayo. 'Di ba? Parehas eh. Parehas, guys. No? So, Santa Claus rally, fundamental 101, at least alam niyo na yan. There is no accepted explanation for this phenomenon. The rally is attributed on the following. Listen carefully, ba't nangyayari ito? Number 1, maraming bibili on anticipation of the January effect. Let's listen. What is a January effect? A January effect is a hypothesis that there is a seasonal anomaly in the financial market where securities increase in the month of January more than in any other month. Totoo yan, guys. In the stock market, totoo yan. In the stock market, ang mga stocks humahataw ng January. May tinatawag tayong January effect in the stock market. Totoo yan. Ang daming profitable lumilipad, lalo na kung ano, for example, ang feng shui ng 2022, for example, lang is, kunyari, ang 2021 is more of green energy. To sabihin ko sa inyo ang feng shui ng 2021, more of energy and green, tapos more of basta green energy. Ano nangyari sa stock market? Halos lahat ng green energy, fuel, PHA sa stock market, lahat po na may ASEN, Ayala Energy, lahat na may kinalaman sa energy nagsiliparan ng coin. Sino mga stock market traders dito? Am I saying the correct thing? Do you guys agree? Sa lahat po ng stock markets, ang pinakamagandang performance on the first quarter of 2021, puro mga energy sectors. Di ba? Meron pang ang follow-up offer si ASEN before. So, tingin natin, there is a January effect, sabi dito. No? Pero at the end of the day, sinasabi natin dito, increase investor purchase. Number 2, lighter volume due to holiday vacations. A slowdown in tax loss harvesting. And then, the short sellers, the pessimistic investors tend to take vacations. Aba, magandang phenomena to The Santa Claus rally, wala pong mga sell shorters. Aba, napakagandang phenomena. Di ba? So, take it with a grain of salt. It's up to you. What I'm just trying to say is potentially, ako ang tingin ko, pwedeng mangyari in Ethereum, pero kailangan ng magandang volume. Sana mangyari. Mag-aabang ako ng order dito. And in Bitcoin, I think it can potentially happen. Pero ang kukunin nating resistance, sukatin natin dito. Ang kukunin kong resistance dito is, kunin natin, sana ay ito ay mangyari. 58, grabe, very, very aggressive, 58. Yan yung 618 dyan Pag nag-breakout. Tingnan natin. We'll see. Ilang araw na lang. Okay? So sabi ni Heather Gaming, nakakamiss si ASEN, FOO niya, nakuha daw niya. Very good. Diba? So we'll see. We'll see, guys. This is my TA for today. Again, ayan ang aking palagay sa overall market. Kasi let's try to do siguro one NFT. Let's go one NFT. Let's go on ano ba yung nangungunang NFT ngayon? So tingnan natin. Mana. Let's go to Mana. Give me a second, guys. I need to reload my another chart kasi ginagamit ko yung chart kanina sa pagsa-scalping. No? So, gawa ko ng panibagong chart dito. Give me a second, guys. Okay, let's go to Mana. Mana. Saan na ba yung si Mana? Okay, ito. Napakahabang downward trend nito. Okay. Just give me a second, guys. I'm going to do some charting here. Teka lang ah. Let me make sure tama yung plotting natin dito. Okay. So nag-trend resistance breakout na to. Bumaba na bumaba na bumaba. Nagkaroon ng consolidation. So if that is the case, isnabin ko tong 618 na to. Gagawa ako ng bagong 618 area. Okay. So, pwede akong gumamit ng 3.14 common support area nito. I can use that. So, in this particular, ito yung tinatawag nating choppy. Choppy meaning wala akong makitang common. Actually, meron ako nakikita ditong common trend line sa babang to. Yan. Kaya bumaba. Pagdating niya dito, nagko-consolidate eh. So, mahirap laruin pag ganito pag beginner trader ka. No? So, ang ginagawa pag ganito is nag-aantay tayo ng other indicators aside from Fibonacci. Although, MACD is going higher already and wala nangyayari sa price. Mukhang kaya niyang tumaas. Kayang tumaas ng mana. No? This can potentially go higher. May oras ka dito, pataas yung MACD, wala nangyayari sa price, so potentially it can go even higher. So gagawin ko dito ganito, I will find the common resistance on top. I will use this now as a common resistance area. Maraming nauuntog areas dito. I will use the horizontal, not diagonal. At maghahanap tayo ng mas malalaking mga breakouts on this area pataas. No? Uncommon eh. Wala akong makitang Fibonacci's area. Kung meron man, masyadong malayo. From 5.88 to yan, 4.59 na yung 618 na nakikita ko. Malayo nito. Malayo na to. Here, malayo na yan. Okay? Okay. So yan ang game natin. So don't trade this yet kung position trader ka, no? Pababa lahat ng candle. Wait for a common bounce area on 2.97 and then potentially it can go even. Ngayon, you will do this if you are a position trader. Kung gusto mong mag-scalp, ito yung gagawin mo. You need to follow this. Let's say you go on 5 minutes. And you will need to follow my system. Yan. Need to follow my system. Yan. So kung talagang bumaba na to, huwag mo nang i-trade to kung ikaw ay buy long. No? Medyo negative yung mindset ng market ngayon kapag ganito yung nangyayari sa market. Negative yung mindset niya. So ang sasalo dito, 2.68 na. 2.68 itong area na to. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng scalping mode, no? So 2.68, ito yung fib kanina pinag-uusapan namin ng mga moderators in between. Eh mukhang sinalo ng 2.618 eh. Ayan o, so mahabang trend line, abangan mo na to. Abangan mo itong trend line na to, tapos sinalo ng 2.618, nag-RSI 30 at 30, lahat na dyan na. Alam mo na yung gagawin dyan. Alam mo na yung gagawin. So intraday trade, let's go to 15 minutes. Ayan o, ganda o. Sinalo ng 2.618 o. Ang ganda. Pag ito bumasag, alam mo na gagawin. Pag bumasag yan, parang magiging ganito yan. Parang ganito. Umakit na umakit na umakit. Parang ganito. Pag lumalalim kasi na ganito, 3.618 microfib, boom! Bumulusok pataas. So abangan mo na to. Kung intraday trader ka or scalper ka yan. Nag-bounce on 2.618 area. Ang ganda pa ng buying volume. So abangan ko na maya-maya. Pero baka mauntog yan. Time mo na. Wait for this. Baka mauntog. Okay? Can you type number 1 kung naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko? Type number 1 please. Type number 1 please kung naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko. Okay. Sabi ni Loklok na nosebleed po ako sa chart niyo, sir. Aral lang, Loklok. Just stay here sa channel natin. Maintindihan mo din yan. Tapos aralin niyo muna yung basics na tinuturo natin. Doon kayo sa beginner playlist, meron tayong mga free tutorials doon sa videos natin. Okay. Very good. Marami naka-follow. Okay. Good job. Okay. Okay. Siguro last na tayo today, no? Ang dami ko na na-explain. Last na tayo for another, siguro, let's look for DeFi. Mag-DeFi tayo. Hanapin natin ang number 1 DeFi, which is Luna. Tapos sabihin ko, guys, may sasabihin ako sa inyo ha. May sasabihin ako sa inyo. So, guys, makinig na mabuti ha. Itong ginagawa ko sa inyo ngayon, this is me doing free charting ng, as usual, alas 10 ng gabi. No? Makikiusap po ako sa inyo na wag po sana magtatampo kayo po na kung kayo po ay hindi maka-attend doon sa alauna ng hapon. Kasi meron po akong ginawang alauna ng hapon yata o alas 11 ng umaga na charting para po sa mga kulay green na pangalan. Yan po ay voluntary. Nasa sa inyo po yan, huwag po kayo magtatampo kung hindi po kayo makasali doon dahil yun po ay oras na ina-allocate ko extra. Ito po yung free. Binibigay ko din po lahat ng alam po natin dito. So kung di hindi po kayo makapag-attend dahil meron pong membership yon, huwag na po kayong umattend doon. Attend na lang po kayo dito sa alas 10 kasi parehas din po yung binibigay kong kaalaman. Yun po ay something extra lang kasi po sila ay naggusto maging member at part po ng ating membership is yung ganitong twice a month lang naman po yan. 2 beses lang po yan per month. Huwag po kayong magtampo sa kanila. So, ipagpaumanhin po ninyo kung hindi po ako nakapag-invite kasi po gusto ko man pong libre yan. Si YouTube po kasi nagdi-dictate ng algorithm yan. Kaya pagpasensya na po ninyo kung kayo po ay hindi green ang pangalan, hindi po kayo maiimbitahan doon sa 2 araw lang po per month. Yun lang po yung pinagkaiba nila sa inyo. Tsaka meron po silang mga icon na mga ganyang mga Miranda minor. Pero pinapangako ko sa inyo, yung ginagawa ko ditong libre na napapanood ninyo, lahat din po ito, ginagawa ko din po doon. Meron na po silang extra na oras. So yun po, sana po naunawaan ninyo. Okay po ba? Type number 1 kung naunawaan po yun. Sa mga hindi po green yung pangalan, naunawaan nyo po ba? Ito po, atid po kayo dito, libre po ito. I'm giving everything din naman po sa community for free po yan. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Zerdex, Myron. Salamat. Elgin, thank you. Jeffrey Reyes, thank you. Taytarni B, thank you. Einstein Webster Jebone, thank you. Yan mga walang green. GM, Jeffrey, Archie, Kyle, Hilda, salamat. Lottie, Joel, EJ, lahat. Maraming salamat ha. Huwag kayo magtatampo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, pare-parehas kayo. Pero syempre, inaalis ko yung oras ko sa anak ko, inaalis ko yung oras ko sa sarili ko para magsilbi po. Pero hindi po kasi pwedeng lahat po yan, ibigay po yung buong oras sa community. Siyempre meron din po akong sariling buhay. So, nag-allocate lang po ako ng extra oras, tinatanggal ko yung sarili ko sa anak ko para makatulong doon po sa mga gusto at willing po sila magpa-member. Yun po ang aking purpose dyan. Sana po maunawaan po ninyo. Okay? Mahal na mahal ko kayo guys. Huwag kayong tatampo ha. Okay. All right. Ayan. Okay. So ito yung ating ano naman, yung ating nasa na tayo kay ano ba yung top DeFi natin today? Terra, Luna. Let's go to Luna. Thank you to Peter Bon Tulyao. Thank you for the kind comments. Thank you for the kind comments. What are you doing, coach? Is more than a blessing already. Kaya thank you, 3,000 pa rin. Maraming salamat ah. Maraming salamat. Okay. Let's go now to Mana. Ay, to ano pala? To Luna. So, yung sinabi natin during my live kahapon, nakakita na po tayo ng left hand. So, sabi ko kahapon, pwede na itong bumaba ha. So, true enough, bumaba na nga po yan. Nag-retrace. Okay. Itong si Christopher Pinka, pipitikin ko ilo mo, ikaw talaga ha. Hindi ako nag-face reveal kanina, ikaw talaga. Ikaw talaga. Okay, so ito ang laro natin dito. Lagyan natin ng volume. Okay, walang kwenta yung volume. Okay, pababa yung coin, no? Pababa. So, huwag niyo munang saluhin to. Magantay kayo. MACD is also not confirming yet. So, although very promising kasi maganda yung hataw ng green candle, pero I will not kunin ko itong trend resistance line na to. I will get this. Yan. So, kunin natin to. Okay. So, okay, gagawin ko to ng trend line. Wait lang. Yun. Yun. Kaya ka nag-correct. Meron ka palang 2.618 din dyan. Yun. So, nakita ko na ang may kagagawan. So, ang laro natin dito, ito. Ano pangalan ito? Kay Luna. Ito ang laro natin. Makinig ha. Makinig. Okay. Medyo maganda yung tinataak ng coin na to. Medyo maganda. Okay. Medyo maganda tinataak ng coin na to. No? So, ang gawin natin dito, ito. Ang gawin natin dito ganito. So, what we need to do is, nasan yung triangle dito? Ito yung gawin natin ha. yung triangle natin dyan. If you are on an intraday, ito na lang yung sundin mong triangle. Okay? Sundin mo yan. Kasi if I do a 618 here, sa 0.5 nag-bounce. 0.5 nag-bounce. Ako, hindi ko muna papasukin tong Luna. Ang pangit ng MACD. Tsaka selling volume, huwag muna nag-antay. Lahat ng TA ko puro maghintay, nakapansin nyo. Kasi ang pangit ng market eh. Ang pangit, guys. Yan yung muna huminga tong market na to. Okay, yun na, Luna. Ayan ang Luna. Antayin nyo to. Tapos, i-review natin yung mana. Okay. Antayin nyo din yung mana natin. Nandito. Okay. Yung itsura niyan, mana. And then, ang ating Bitcoin. Yun. Antayin nyo na. Teka lang. Ito yung mana natin. Sorry, ulitin ko, mana. And then, ang ating Bitcoin, ito. Yung charting natin, antayin nyo na yan. Okay. Mag 1 day. Yan, antayin mo na. Okay. Antayin mo na yan. Lapit na yan. And then Ethereum. Ito. Malapit na din. Alam mo na yan. Okay. Okay. Yung AVAX, chinart ko na to kanina. I charted this kanina already. Ayan ang sinabi kong chart kanina. Yung mga tinuruan ko noong kanina. Oras ko ba ginawa to? Kanina, yung mga members, chinart namin to. Chinart namin to ng mga members kanina. So yan, yun yung charting natin dyan. Okay? Okay? So yan, alam mo na yan ha. Alam mo na yung gagawin dyan. Okay, any questions guys? Any questions for me? May tanong ba kayo? O meron kahit anong gustong malaman or something? Are we good? Beginner class. Yes, tinuturo lahat yan lock-lock sa beginner class. Correct. Tinuturo lahat yan doon. Any other questions, guys? O email nyo na lang. Tropang JC, paki-email nyo po si Miranda Minor. Email po ninyo si EliteUniversity at globalmirandaminor.com. Confirm yung reservation. Walang problema yan. Walang problema. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Wag nyong guys, wag nyong aabusuhin tong to kasi I think sinalo to ng 618 area if I'm not mistaken. No, actually, 382, sorry. Sinalo to ng 382. Yun, true enough, nag-bounce, no? So, antayin nyo yan, ha? Huwag kayong, huwag kayong papasok agad. Alam nyo na yan. Magantay kayo dyan. Okay. If that is, kung wala nang, oy, thank you, Cheryl. Maganda yung question mo, ha? Yes, kumain na po tayo. Salamat po. O, sige na. Okay, guys, ang ating topic for today, nasagot ko na po, is it gonna be a Santa Claus crypto rally? At yes, Ate Erin, hindi po nag-lag ang ating connection. Yay! Wala po tayong lag, no? Sana po natulungan ko kayo today to further improve your trader's quotient. At napansin naman ninyo, puro paghihintay or waiting yung comment natin today, no? Sana you've learned something today at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo at sana po kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. God bless all of you and I love you. 3,